Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're on the 5th floor of the Whitney Uptown, the 5th floor, and this is their amenity floor. So we're gonna walk around. I just want you to kind of see it. There's about 3 things to notice, and then we'll explore each one of these in a lot of detail. And wow, I guess some of you are contacting me. I'm getting buzzed. Okay, so let's start with the resident lounge. That's really super cute. That's in there. We're going to see that in detail. It's a really fun area to kind of play games, relax. You can work, etc. You also have a really cool fitness center in here. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's going to look like this. And then you have a pool area. The pool area is outside. We'll see that in just a minute. That's what that looks like. It's going to be out here. You know, we'll see more detail, but it's going to look like this. So this is the pool area. We'll see that more in detail in just a minute. So anyway, it's basically all here in one section, and let's go explore those in details now. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.